We are waiting for the flame. And not just the flame, no, the Olympic flame. Because we are quite close to Mount Olympia, where the old Olympic Games were held. I think we showed some footage of it in an earlier video. And now we're waiting till the flame comes. The flame needs to come from there because that is the main road, the only road that goes through the village, the other side, and then there should be here at 6 o'clock. Haven't seen anyone yet. Still waiting. Where are you, man with the flame? Or woman with the flame? I don't know. It's coming at last. I hope. Where's the guy with the flame? Daar komt hij, daar komt hij. One of the last projects we are doing before we can start sailing is this. Anja is going to make a lazy bag or stack bag, whatever you want to call it. And this is what we use for it. This is the old soft bimini, which was connected to the small hard bimini we have. We now have the solar panels as a kind of hard bimini. It is just long enough and just wide enough to make a stack bag. So this is an old water line. Comes out of the boat onto the floor. Anja destroyed the whole thing because we didn't need it anymore. So Anja is going to make a kind of tunnel for these ones, and we're going to hang them on the lazy jacks. And over here she makes also a little tunnel with an 8mm rope in it. We can slide it into the boom, so it stays in place in the boom.
Het is net aan, maar als ik dit natuurlijk weghaal en ik maak dit dicht, want dat zit toch aan de binnenkant, dan hebben we wat extra voor de zoom. Dat scheelt weer. Want als ik hem hier dubbel vouw, dan hou ik zo 4 centimeter extra. Ja, ik ben eruit. Want in het midden moet ik 41 hebben. En de zoom. Nou, zeg 5 à 6.
Oké.
Dan hebben we ruimte zat.
Mooi. This is a little tricky because when we do this wrong, we can do it again. So we measure everything double, 3 double. Doe je?
Het dichtbranden, dat het niet gaat rafelen.
We are using plain piping for electricity. Don't know precisely if that is strong enough. We'll see, otherwise we'll think about something else. That's it.